Hi, I'm Deadson, and I'm going to show you how to install Tentacle into an Unreal project in just a couple of minutes. You want to start over here at your Tentacle.live dashboard. Then you want to go down to the documentation icon, Getting Started, into Unreal, and then Setup. For reference, the documentation is the perfect place to find anything you want to know about Tentacle. So all you have to do is click on this link. I already have it right here. Make sure that you bring these down so you can see what we got. Decide which one you're going to do, right? So we're going to do 5.7. Download that, right? Jump over to your Unreal launcher, your Epic launcher thing. And we're just going to launch one of these, making our new project. This will take a few seconds. That's not a big deal. We want to do a new project. You can load from your own project if you already have it. That's cool. Go to blank. We're gonna just select really quick the D drive, and you can put that on the C drive. That's where it would normally go. And then we're gonna call this one Tentacle Project. Oops. The downloads, and we want to bring up the D drive where we have the Tentacle project right here. So if you don't have a plugins folder, you can make one. You can click on this, go to plugins, and just drag it over. Should take a few seconds. Now, what you can do is you can either launch it through the U project right here, or you can launch it right here through the Tentacle project on the launcher. Now, you want to pay close attention to the lower right. If you see this down here, new plugins are available. You can go to Manage Plugins and see what you have. You can see over here in Installed, we have a virtual production. Tentacle's already installed. The check mark's on there. That's good. If you don't see it listed, double check to see if it's installed in the project's plugin folder. But you can also go over to all plugins and type in Tentacle right there, and you can see it's in there. Right. So then the last step to get Tentacle installed is you just come up to the add, and then we type in Tentacle. And we just drag it in, drag it into your level, ideally a persistent level, because you only want one of them in your project. There you go. It's that easy. Let's take a few seconds to make sure that Unreal is connected to Tentacle. Once we've verified that it's in the project and in a level, you can play from project or in EXE. Now, it might take a few seconds, but if we go down to the Unreal icon in Tentacle, it should go green, indicating that we have a connection. At any time, we can end the play and you can see it disconnect. And pressing play again will reconnect. But yeah, you have Tentacle connected now. So congratulations and thanks for choosing Tentacle. If you need any help, check the description box below the video for links to Tentacle and the Discord.